In this video, we're gonna take a look at this $16 capture card that I got from Amazon and see if actually this thing works, first of all, and see if this is something that can compete with the Cam Link 4K that costs around $140. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sam from Live Production Tips and Tools, and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at this capture card that I got. It's a pretty cheap capture card. I paid only $16 and it's called Chilison. That's the brand name. And I'm gonna test it out with my GX85 as well as this cable that I got, which is a micro to full-size HDMI cable that I got from Amazon as well. As you can see, this is your output. This is the USB port, which is 3.0 USB, and you got the HDMI port. Okay, so other than that, it comes with this USB kind of extender thing. You would plug this into your computer, and the other end would just connect like this. So basically this is it. So let's go ahead and do the testing. Okay, I got my GX85 right now, and this is where the HDMI is supposed to go. So let's go ahead and plug the HDMI cable right now. Boom, here we go. And this end of the HDMI cable is gonna go to my capture card, simply like this. Boom. So I'm going to connect everything and open OBS and show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, so I am back. Let's go ahead and open OBS. I got everything connected to my computer with the capture card and the GX85. So let's open OBS and see what the image looks like. Okay, so I'm here in OBS. I created a scene called GX85. Let me go ahead and add the first source, which is the video capture device. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and call it Chilison 1. Say okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and look for the USB video capture, which I think would be this one. And as you can see, the image from the GX85. My resolution, let's say custom, so 1080. Okay, so basically that's it. I don't need to do much here. Okay, just click OK. Let me go ahead and add actually some audio as well. It's gonna be audio input capture, and just use an existing one, which is this one. Just make sure I have the right one. Let me actually start recording. Okay, I have everything already set. I can see myself. This is the clean signal coming from the GX85. So right now I'm recording using OBS, but I'm gonna go ahead and actually record the same video but using the GX85. So how I'm going to do my test, so basically I'm gonna take the image that I recorded from OBS and I'm going to compare it with the image that I recorded internally in the GX85. Okay, and what I'm looking for specifically, I'm looking for any color shift, see if there's kind of like a difference, like the way this capture card reads colors, and we'll compare and you guys will be the judge. Okay, so this is the test. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, my name is Sam from Live Production Tips and Tools, and this is an official test for the capture card, which is the Chilison 1080p capture card that I got from Amazon. And this is a video test using OBS and the GX85 with a 25mm 1.7 lens from Panasonic. Alright guys, so I just finished comparing the clip that I took with the GX85 and the clip that I took through the capture card. And my personal opinion, I mean, you can see it. This is the first clip from the GX85, and this is the clip that was recorded using OBS through the capture card. I'm actually impressed. You know, the only difference I think by watching these two clips side by side, I think the clip that was taken by the capture card has just a tiny little bit of saturation, just a little bit of saturation that was added to the clip. But other than that, I just feel like it looks the same. Like I'm getting like 99 or 98% of what I'm sending from the camera. I mean, like, you can see the clips and judge for yourself. But personally, I'm just impressed. I'm impressed by this $16 capture card. I mean, like, I was really afraid that was gonna give me some weird colors and all that, you know. And the signal was through, no issues, no lag or anything. Alright guys, I have to mention that I also went ahead and did a test trying to record in 60 frames per second. And as you can see, here's some of the clips that I took. It works okay, except sometimes it will have this weird effect. You know, it's kind of like a wipe kind of effect kind of thing. And I believe if something like this happens on your live stream, it's not gonna be good. So I would say for 30 frames per second, this capture card is solid. For 60 frames per second, I would say I will need more tests. I cannot confirm right now that this capture card is up to the task for 60 frames per second. I wouldn't buy the capture card for $150 or $140. I'd rather buy a cheap capture card like this. It does the job. If I'm using one camera, I'm doing everything from home. And whenever I get money and I want to upgrade, then I'll go ahead buy the the Blackmagic ATM Mini, something that will give me more angles where I can connect more inputs. That's just my opinion. You know, looking at this capture card, I'm honestly impressed, and I feel like that would be the way to go. Do I recommend this capture card? Absolutely. I mean, I haven't been using it for a long time, unless something crazy happened to it and it fails on me or overheats or whatever. I don't know, okay? But for what I'm seeing right now, the image that I'm seeing right now, the level of stability that I'm seeing right now, I think it's worth trying. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just $16, guys, and I'm really impressed. You're getting 60 frames per second, you're getting 30 frames per second, which for me, the 30 frames per second still works. Honestly, I didn't see any issue with it. Go ahead, try it out. Let me know what you think. If you already have one, you're using it and it's been working out for you, you have some issues, make sure you put it down in the comments and let me know what you think. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope this review was helpful. I appreciate you hanging out with me, and I will see you on my next videos. Take care.